It's gonna be a long day, but I can do it. This is what I've gotten done so far. I'm about to start recording now to kind of show y'all what I'm doing, what I've been doing. But this is what I got thus far. I still got the whole back. I started in the front because I wanted to make sure I liked the hairstyle first, because I'm like, I don't know, what if I look crazy? So I was like, let me start up here, and if I look crazy up here, I can take it down and not finish the back. But I like it how it looks on this side, and it's just easier starting with the front, so that I can focus more on the back and make sure it's not crazy looking. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish doing this. So I did a tutorial on how to do feed-in braids with my jumbo knotless. I'll go ahead and link that above for y'all who don't know. But we're going to go ahead and start off by getting our 3 sections together and feeding in the hair immediately. I use 2 small pieces of Knotless hair, and I feed them in immediately once I start braiding, and that's the only Knotless hair I use for this entire method. After braiding down just a little bit, I start to go ahead and feed in the extensions or the actual human hair that we're gonna have sticking out of our braids. Now you're going to have to be very careful not to get any of the human hair pieces entangled with the actual braid. I actually don't need to clip, but just to keep things out of your way, go ahead and clip this hair up, and we're going to feed it in just like we did our braiding hair, and just continue to braid down. Again, make sure you do not get the other pieces of hair in there because it is kind of hard. I really hope that you guys can see what I'm doing. If not, I do highly recommend you go to my jumbo knotless tutorial to get a better rendition and a better visual, a bigger visual of how I do my feed-in method. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. I use virgin icy body wave hair, so please y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know it's very slippery, and once you braid this hair in, it's gonna be sticking out all over the place. So we're gonna just go through each braid after you braid it and go ahead and cut those flyaways out, because honey, she can get itchy. Like all these little sticky porcupine little, yeah, no, we're not used to this with regular braiding hair, and this is human hair. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut this excess off, and voila, magic. I think I did a pretty good rendition of the Zoe Kravitz / Ryan Destiny boho gypsy braids, whatever you want to call it. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.